Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be test fitting an M3 bumper onto my car. I bought it a couple weeks ago. I picked it up this morning and I bought it unpainted. So the deal is right now I'm going to take off the old bumper, put the new bumper on, see if it fits well, if I have any to fix anything first. And if it fits good, there's no problems, we're going to bring it to a shop and paint it. But right now, the deal for today is to take off the old bumper, put the new one on, see what's happening. Because this bumper here, it's getting old. There's a lot of wear and tear on it. I got scratches over here, a little scrape over there, and then we have over here, I was recently hit in a parking lot. I don't know what happened. Someone hit me, never left a note, nothing, just ran away. And if you want to come close, we did a pretty bad job. Let's see if I can get it. Look at the bumper right there. I don't know if you can tell from the camera here, but this here is all bad. I might throw a before picture in just because it's cool footage. But I use this stuff. It's Ford color paint, but it matched pretty well with the car. It was just a temporary fix for like 2 weeks just until my new bumper came. It's not the best look, but it was good. This has to go. The M3 bumper's coming real soon now. Okay, so here we have the bumper. It's still all, I guess you call it a box. It's in the box. It's all wrapped still. It's for the bumper says it's for the E90 335 particularly. But this says for the sedan E90, and this is off eBay through protuning.com, protuning.lv. I don't know what's the deal with this website, but I got it through eBay. It was about $350. And I ordered one with the fog lights, so the fog light should be here. I'm gonna open this up real quick and see what we got. Alright, we finally got the box undone. That was a puzzle. And the first thing I'm opening here is a box that looks like this, which indeed looks like the fog lights, which is pretty cool. You see? Beautiful. Alright, fog lights are here. Now let's see the bumper itself. Once again, this is the unpainted bumper. This is the unpainted bumper, so it's gonna have like a matte look to it. I have to get it repainted. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Bam. This box, boy. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it well. I do have a scratch right here, but it's not in the actual surface scratch. This thing is very rough. Has to be sanded too, probably. But that's that. The bumper looks beautiful, and for the most part, does look like it had identical screw locations to my bumper I have here. So next things we're gonna do is take off the old bumper and I'll throw this guy on. Let's get going. It's now time to take off the old bumper. The screws that we have to deal with here, we have the 4 T27. Alright guys, sorry about that. I'm gonna apologize in advance too. We have like 4 houses on our block right now that are deciding to do construction today. So you're gonna hear saws, tools, furniture moving. You're gonna hear it all today. So just try to block out the background sounds. We'll try to not record during the loud moments like that. Just letting you guys know in advance. It's aggravating, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Alright, so like I was saying, you have 4 T27s here, and then you have, I think, 2 8mm sockets on each side of the bumper along the wheel well. I'll show you those, but I'm just gonna grind out these quick. And then 4 in total 8mm sockets, and then down underneath you have 8mm too, and that should all we need to unlatch the bumper. There was actually 3 screws, not 2, I'm sorry. There's 2 on the splash guard part, and then after you unscrew the top splash guard piece, peel back the splash guard, and there's another screw up top. The bumper, all the screws are unmounted. This is just sitting here now, so I should just be able to pull this bumper right off, and then we'll mock off the M3 bumper, see how well it fits. I forgot to mention the headlight washers. You have to unclip those before the bumper comes off too. I just forgot about it because that one's not even connected anymore, because when the guy hit me, it just got all screwed up. Can you just hold that up so I can see? So we have the M3 bumper in place now. Me and Chris are going to mock it up, put it in place, and see if all the screws and the holes line up good. If so, we'll play it from there. Alright, so this is what we've come to. It fits real good. I just don't want to put every single screw in, but for the most part, it fits perfect. I'm looking at all the screws, they all line up where the stock ones were, so we should just have to put this in and just put all the old screws back in. But for time purposes and just common sense, I'm not going to put this back in. I'm going to throw the bumper in the back of my car, bring it to the shop, and just have them painted over. But yes, it does fit. And another thing, I'm probably just going to have the shop paint all the mesh looking guards here, like a gloss black, so I don't have to do it. And then I'm also going to do the grills gloss black. I'm going to pull them off the stock bumper. So I'm going to paint these and the kidneys up top. Taking off the kidneys, there's just screws right along here. Unscrew it, pop them out, and we just paint those black. Same thing with the kidney grills on the actual bumper itself. So guys, everything is all set. Everything's all set. Everything lines up. So the fit, it works, it fits. Once again, this is Pro Tuning front bumper for the E90 M3 style, and I got it off of eBay for about $350. So for now, that's gonna be it. Fits good. Bring it to the shop, it's gonna be painted, and we'll get back to you when it's all painted. We're gonna put it back on. If you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments below. Any comments, leave them below. Any questions? And if you haven't subscribed already, go for it. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up. See ya.